Hi there! Welcome to today's English lesson. This is Word Stories, where we turn simple stories into unforgettable vocabulary. Learn 5 new words in every episode and make them stick.
Mira loved exploring the woods near her house. One afternoon, she found something strange under a pile of rocks. It was an old map, drawn with red ink. The paper looked very old, but the lines were clear. At the center of the map was a mark, a cave. Mira followed the map. She walked past trees, across a river, and up a small hill. There, hidden behind vines, she found the cave. It was cold inside and very quiet. The light from her flashlight danced on the walls. Suddenly, something began to glow in the dark. It was a small wooden box. Mira opened it slowly. Inside was a golden ring, a treasure. But before she could touch it, the ground moved. A loud click echoed through the cave. She had stepped on a trap. The floor opened beneath her feet, but just a little. She froze. Then, carefully, she stepped back. The trap closed. She picked up the ring and smiled. This treasure was not just gold. It was her courage. Now that we've heard the story, let's take a closer look at the words we learned today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Treasure. A treasure is something very special and valuable. It can be gold, jewels, or even a box full of secrets. In many stories, people look for treasure on an island or in a cave, but treasure doesn't always mean money. Example sentence. The children found a hidden treasure under the old tree. Map. A map is a drawing that shows where places are. It helps us know how to go from one place to another. Maps often show roads, forests, mountains, or even secret paths. In stories, a map can lead to something exciting or something dangerous. Example sentence. She followed the map through the forest to find the cave. Cave. A cave is a large, dark space inside a mountain or under the ground. It can be cold and quiet, and sometimes it feels a little scary. In stories, caves are often where creatures live, or where people hide things like treasure. Example sentence. They entered the dark cave and saw strange marks on the walls. Glow. To glow means to shine with a soft light. It's not too bright, just enough to see. The moon glows in the sky, and sometimes magic objects glow in stories. When something glows, it often feels quiet, gentle, and a little magical. Example sentence. The treasure chest began to glow when she touched it. Trap. A trap is something made to catch someone or something. It can be hidden, like a rope or a hole in the ground. In stories, traps stop people from finding treasure or escaping danger. But clever characters always find a way to avoid the trap. Example sentence. He didn't see the trap and fell into a deep hole. Great job! Now you know 5 new English words. Can you make your own sentences using these words? Write them in the comments. I'll be reading them.
That's it for today's word stories. Now you know 5 new words and how to use them. Practice them, repeat them, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell. And hey, don't forget to come back for the next story.